Hey guys, it's Marshall from Going Gear, and this is the extended review of the Niteye JA10 and JC10. Alright, so we got the JA10 JC10, 180 lumens on max output using AA nickel metal hydride or alkaline batteries on the JA10. JC10 uses CR123s, and you're going to get 260 lumens on max output on that one. So we're going to use the JC10 in the video to show you the interface and everything. I went ahead and put a 123 in there. Let's go ahead and pull the JA10 out so you can see everything that you get. So obviously you get the light. Go ahead and pop that out. We can show them to you side by side. And the other stuff that you get a pocket clip. And it's a really nice pocket clip. It actually attaches there on the back so you can screw it in. Have a nice, strong, sturdy pocket clip because this is designed as an Anglelight to attach to your pack or belt or something like that. So they give you a really nice pocket clip to go with it. You got a hex key to attach it, spare boot cover tail switch if you happen to need to replace that, and spare O-rings. Warranty card. You got the instruction manual, all kinds of good information in here. This has an interesting interface on it, so it's always a good idea to take a look at this just to get an idea of the care and the operating instructions and all that kind of stuff. So you have that stuff, silica packet. I have a million of those things lying around from all the flashlights. But here they are side by side so you can get an idea of the size difference. Yep, you can see the tails are magnetic. I was going to save that part for later, but you can already see they are magnetic. They will stick together, and they'll of course stick to metal surfaces, which is really useful. You know, I find myself using lights like this a lot around in our warehouse, you know, where the lighting isn't all that great. Just attach it to a metal shelf or attach them to lamps around your house so you always have a light ready to go. You need to go outside or anything like that. I think magnet in the tail cap is super useful. So there's the lights. Put them side by side this way so they don't attach to each other. So you got the JA10, JC10, a little bit smaller size, a little bit higher output, but then of course you're using the CR123 batteries, which can be harder to find and a little bit more expensive than just your regular AA's. So here's the JC10 that we're going to use to show you the interface and everything. We're going to go and open it up, show you what it looks like on the inside. Spring down in there and your magnets down in there. Here's your CR123 battery. You can kind of see the inside of the battery tube. And there's your LEDs, so you got XPG LEDs in these, and an optic, which gives it a pretty nice beam. Of course, you'll see that better when we go take this outside. And again, the attachment point for the clip, if you want to use that. Alright, let's go ahead and show you the interface. So you got the switch on the top, tap it to turn it on, tap it to turn it off. When you have it on, if you press and hold, it's going to cycle through a bunch of different outputs. So when you see the one you want, you just let go. It's going to stop when it gets all the way up and all the way down. So you got to go all the way down, you can release, tap it again, and it'll go all the way up, and then stop again. And again, if you want, you know, you see one in between there that you like, just let go, and it's going to stay in that output. And it does have a memory, so if you turn it off, turn it back on, it's going to go back into that same output. So it's not going to change until you try to change the output. You also have some flashing modes in here, so if you have it turned on, double click and you have strobe. And that's actually the only flashing output. So when I say some, I mean one. Same interface on the JA10 and the JC10, so you have a bunch of different outputs that you can choose between. Just cycle to the one you want and then let go. Pretty cool option. A lot of lights used to do this, and it's nice to see some of them getting back to that. So again, on the interface, tap it to turn it on, press and hold to cycle through your different outputs, let go when you see the one you want, tap to turn it off, and then you can double click to get strobe. Alright, let's go ahead and take both these outside and we'll show you how they do outside. Alright, we're outside with the JA10 and JC10. Got the big 40 mag light that I always use as a comparison since pretty much everybody's familiar with it. So let's go ahead and try out this mag light first. Dock house on the lake down there, about 100 feet away. Gonna shine that around a little bit. We'll go ahead and try the JA10 first. It's the AA model. And then there you can see, not too bad for a compact little AA light. You can see it really is putting out that much light down there at the dock house. We'll zoom in, show you that it gets out there pretty well. Definitely is a wide, floody beam, so you're not going to get huge distance with these. But you know, something you're meant to clip on your belt or vest or pack or something like that. You know, usually you're not looking for distance, you're looking for more, just light up everything in front of you. And this does that really well. We'll do the variable output. Kind of cool, you can set it to be exactly what you want. Okay, let's go ahead and try out the JC10 now. There you can see the higher output on that. Definitely more lumens coming out of this thing. It is more compact, but some people don't like the lithium batteries. I think they're a good option. I personally use them and tend to use lights that take them, but I know some people don't like them. They are a little bit harder to find and a little bit more expensive. Go ahead and cycle through the outputs on that one too. And then let's do them side by side. So the JC10 on the right, JA10 on the left. Make sure they're both in the max output. Kind of go back and forth with them, just so you can see them a little bit better. So there's the JC10 pointing to the dockhouse. There's the JA10. Pretty apparent difference. Okay, so those are the Niteye JA10 and JC10. If you like them, you can buy them from us at goinggear.com. Any questions or comments, you can reach us in the comments or at goinggear.com. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe. I put a lot of flashlight and other gear videos out. Thanks for watching.